So let's learn about personal hygiene, and we will learn specifically about cleaning the teeth. So why should we clean our teeth? Number one, we use our teeth to chew food. Dirty teeth have pieces of food on them. Dirty teeth make the mouth smell bad. Dirty teeth have germs, and these germs can cause diseases of teeth. So brushing or cleaning these teeth removes dirt and germs from the teeth. So what are some of the materials that are needed, or the materials that are used when we are cleaning our teeth? We have all the materials here, and the material number one that we need is a toothbrush or a chewed stick. This is a toothbrush, and we said if you don't have a toothbrush, you can use a chewed stick. The second material is toothpaste. We can use salt instead of toothpaste, or if you do not have toothpaste, you can use salt. The other material that is needed is clean and warm water. You make sure the water is clean. Don't use dirty water to clean your teeth. And the last thing that you need is a glass. You need a glass. So what are some of the steps that we should follow while cleaning our teeth? Our step number one, we are supposed to put toothpaste on a toothbrush. You see, from this image, someone is applying toothpaste on their toothbrush. So that is always the first step. And now after applying the toothbrush to the toothpaste, the second step is you brush your teeth, moving toothbrush up and down like this. From this image, you can see someone is brushing their teeth, moving the toothbrush up and down. Our third step when we are cleaning our teeth is you're supposed to clean the inner and outer part of your teeth. Like from this image, you can see they are cleaning the inner and the outer part of their teeth. Our fourth step is you clean the tongue. You should clean your tongue, and you can see from this image they are cleaning their tongue. Then our fifth step, you rinse your mouth using clean warm water. You rinse your mouth. Make sure after you have finished brushing or cleaning the teeth, you rinse the mouth. Like this boy here is busy rinsing their mouth. Then our last step, you use clean water to wash your toothbrush. Make sure your toothbrush is clean after brushing your teeth. Don't leave the toothbrush dirty. I have some points for you to note. First point that I want you to note is a dirty toothbrush can keep germs and cause diseases. I said make sure you wash your toothbrush after using. And here we are told if we keep that toothbrush dirty, it will keep germs and cause diseases. The second point that I want you to note is that you should not share toothbrushes, or you should not share your toothbrush with anyone. Make sure you use your toothbrush and no one else's toothbrush. Then the third point that I want you to note is sharing this toothbrush or toothbrushes can spread diseases. So do not allow anyone to use your toothbrush.